He didn't fail because he wasn't smart. He failed because he let his mind run wild. This is not a story of... He believed intelligence was enough. Life proved him wrong, and the moment he realized that truth changed the direction of his entire life.
In a quiet small town in America, there lived a boy named Ethan Parker. Ethan learned fast. He understood lessons after hearing them.
And Ethan had a clear dream. He wanted to become a doctor, not for fame, but to help people.
Things started to fall apart not because Ethan lacked intelligence, but because he lacked focus. Every time he sat down to study, his mind began to wander.
Sometimes to his phone, sometimes to social media and short videos, sometimes to distant daydreams.
Ethan often told himself, "There's still plenty of time." But the cruel truth was this: later never came.
His parents warned him. His teachers advised him. They said success demands concentration. But Ethan believed differently. He believed smart people didn't need discipline. And that belief cost him dearly. When scholarship results were announced, Ethan still held hope. If he won, the road to becoming a doctor would be easier. But when he checked the list, his heart sank. His name wasn't there. Ethan had failed. His hard-working classmates succeeded. Teachers who once praised him looked disappointed. That night, Ethan sat alone, not angry, not blaming others, just ashamed, not bitter. In that silence, Ethan understood something vital. Intelligence does not guarantee success, does. And Ethan made a decision. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Ethan searched for a mentor. Not someone who taught facts, but someone who taught self-control. That's when he found Coach Daniel Harris, a seasoned physical training coach at his school. Coach Harris didn't just train bodies, he trained minds. People said even the most distracted students became disciplined under his guidance. "Coach, I can't focus. My mind jumps from one thing to another. Come with me." Coach Harris led Ethan into the gym. A treadmill was already running. A white line stretched straight across the floor ahead. Coach Harris said, "Run straight along that line." Ethan started running. But within seconds, he drifted off course. His eyes moved side to side. He glanced at the clock. He watched other students. Coach Harris raised his hand. "Stop," he asked. "Where were you looking?" Ethan answered honestly, "Everywhere." Coach Harris nodded. "That's the problem. You're not running toward the line. You're running toward distractions." He spoke slowly. "A great athlete doesn't look everywhere. They focus on one point ahead. It's not about running fast. Coach Harris continued. "First, control your thoughts. When your mind wanders, pull it back. Second, build routines. The brain thrives on repetition. Third, eliminate distractions. Your phone doesn't belong near you while studying. Fourth, practice daily. Discipline is built, not discovered." Ethan followed every rule. He turned off his phone while studying. He studied on schedule and rested on schedule. Whenever his mind drifted, he reminded himself, "My goal is to become a doctor." At first, it was painful. It was exhausting. But slowly, everything changed. Ethan could study for hours, focused, undistracted. Months later, he faced another major exam. This time, he didn't just pass. He ranked first, not because of luck, but because of discipline.
As Ethan stood on stage receiving his scholarship, he remembered Coach Harris's words.
"The mind is like a wild horse. If you don't train it, it will drag you anywhere. But if you master it, it will take you exactly where you want to go." If you feel like you have potential but haven't reached the results you deserve, the problem may not be your ability. It may be your discipline.
If this story inspired you, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to stay with us for more motivational stories.